This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Rodano. The Waters is an ocean to river resort style, with a boat ramp, active senior living community. A beautiful ocean walk over with seating, table umbrellas and a shower. The river access boasts a huge pier with covered seating, boat ramp, bocce ball and a massive tiki hut to enjoy sunsets at. The clubhouse has kitchen, library, game room area, bathrooms, a heated pool, a grill, fire pit and plan monthly activities. Fully furnished. At the top of the long driveway/carport area is a roomy private outside storage with your laundry facility. All vinyl and laminate flooring makes keeping it clean super easy. There's not much more you could ask for. Pets are welcome. A beautiful location in South Melbourne Beach near restaurants, shopping, grocery and more. Short-term or long-term, price reflective. You will enjoy all the community has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Rodano at 321-308-0378.